What's going on, motorheads? I'm out here in Morgan's Point, Texas, checking out my buddy's 72 Challenger. How long have you had that, Jesse?
About 3 weeks.
About 3 weeks. He's fixing to crank it up. Give y'all a little walk around here. This thing's beautiful. Bought it out of Austin, Texas.
Let's see if he'll let you get it. Oh, you can go get up close and check it out.
Old car, man. Real hot rod. Cold start. Oh, little more. Oh man, she sounds nice.
What do you think, bud? What do you think it is?
All the way out the belt.
Yeah. Oh, that ain't nothing. Just tighten it up a little. Or is it?
Just all the way out.
So it's, okay, so it's a little too big. And she loping too, boy. She's nice, fellers. All nicely redone. Some original parts still in there. It hadn't been refurbished. The console. She's sweet. Waiting on him to get insurance on the thing so we can go roll it. Got to get that good insurance. Well, I would ask him to pop the hood, but as you can see, he's got the hood pins and a little bit, but we'll do that at a later date. We'll make another video coming up soon when we finally go cruising in this thing. I hope y'all enjoy it. See ya!